Birmingham GT RCs out here with the Wltoys 144001, guys. Gonna have a little speed run on 3S, see what we can do. It has got a 4S motor in there, 4S ESC. Got a lot of traffic, but we're gonna try, guys, see if we can get it running. Let's have a zero this out. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's zeroed out. We'll try, but there's loads of traffic, guys. I probably won't get it running. There is absolutely loads of traffic, but we can only try. We'll have one go. We'll have one go, guys. We're gonna try. Ooh. Turn down that jaw rate. Oh, car left, guys. Sure, we'll pass first. So having a little short pass, guys, just warming it up, making sure the gear mesh is good. Oh, brakes are too sharp. Definitely need to adjust my brakes. Brakes are too sharp, need to adjust them. Traffic everywhere, guys. Ooh, this wants to go, man. I gotta do the brakes, guys. But this wants to go, man. I can feel it wants to go. And it is absolutely so quiet. It's real nice, guys. I like the way it's rolling, real nice. Some little warm-up passes. Let's have a look, get in there. I haven't gone full throttle yet, but I will do if I can. 71 mile an hour on 3S. I want to try and get a full pass in, guys. I do. So let's try. Let's try. You can only try. But they, look, car after car, guys. So, you know, we'll just see what we can do. I'm not going to try and take too many risks. Woo! Just touched that full throttle I did, and that's in the back end go, guys. That really had me nervous there. 74. I touched the full throttle, guys. I probably went a bit too hard onto full throttle just at the end, try and get a full throttle punch, and the back end, yeah, just a little tiny little wobble. I need to just go smoother into the power. And this is only 4S, guys. Sorry, 3S. There's only 3S in here, guys. It's a little 3S warm up here, so I'm liking it, guys. 74 mile an hour so far. So I want to hit that 80 if I can. But yeah, traffic, guys, traffic. Okay, let's reset this. As you can hear, just traffic, unfortunately. zeroed out, yeah. Way too much traffic, and the brakes are really sharp, guys. It was skidding more or less and locking the wheels as I was coming to a stop. It was locking the wheels, guys. And I need to turn my reverse up. I did put it really low, but it might be just a touch too low. Now, traffic, man, constant. Might have to just come back tomorrow morning if the weather's like today, because today is beautiful. Can't believe how nice it is. Yeah, just getting traffic, guys, constant cars. If the weather's like this tomorrow, I'm out early, guys. This morning it was 2 degrees and -1 degrees, and then out of the blue the sun came out, blue skies, and I was like, what? Get those batteries charged up, and yeah, obviously it meant coming out late in the day. Not what I like. Gonna have one more try and then we'll check the tent. Traffic again, guys. Yeah. Too much traffic, guys. I think I'm going to call it a day. We'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to call it a day, guys. I think the school's finished, so we're getting all the parents and everybody driving past, guys. But so far, so good. You can see the air getting under there. It's starting to peel the tape. Just a touch. So that means I'm getting good airflow underneath there. It's not bottoming out anywhere. And it sounds so lovely. Nice and smooth. Beautiful, guys. I'm liking it. Sit that there for a second. Yeah, I'm liking it, guys. It's driving nice, everything. Let's just pop the top on here quickly to show you what I'm working with in there. Let's get these sides off as well. We don't need that again. We can throw that away. Okay, let's get that off. Here you have it, guys. 4S motor, 4S ESC, 120 amp, 2 to 4S. Nothing special. Cat pack. It's a Castle Creations cat pack. So you're nothing special, guys. Obviously MOD1 gearing. And I am running negative gearing, guys. I am running negative gearing. I've lost a bit of paint because yeah, look, it's come off there, guys. So I'll have to touch that up again. Not a problem. Touch that up with a bit of red. But yeah, guys, man, it is running lovely. It is absolutely running lovely. I am happy with everything, guys. See, I got my switch up front. I can actually switch the car on with the body on, just sticking my finger under the body and switching it on. Let's get that turned off. And as you know, I got a built-in gyro with this, but I ran it with the gyro off. And you can see how stable the car is. It made a little kick out when I went really hard on the power, so I know I just got to go a little easy into that full throttle. Apart from that, guys, I'm impressed. I am super impressed. This thing's going to break 100 miles an hour with ease. I mean, I don't even know. I reckon I'll do it on 3S probably. The way things are going to be going with this. Done 74 miles an hour with ease, guys. With ease, without me even going to full throttle. So I'm well impressed. Well impressed. But yeah, too much traffic, guys. And as the moment I've come back to my car, the road's now clear. But I could walk back down there and try again, and then cars will just keep coming again, guys. I've been here for about an hour now, hour and a half, and I've only managed to barely get a running with the Typhon. And as you saw with this, I managed to just get one running, and it's just traffic. So yeah, I've had enough of sitting around, keep waiting for cars to move. Cars keep parking up. I've got a nice spot anyway, but it's just a bit further to drive. Well, a lot further to drive, but here's what it is, guys. It's what we're out here to do. So I got this little stopper on here, just if the pinion does come loose. That should help, hopefully just hold it on there and it doesn't just come flying off and disappearing. Slightly bigger servo than the stock. Some contact foams, guys, and a graphene lipo. Let's show you the battery. It's a graphene lipo in there, 3S. 3 wires, 3 black I should say, and 1 green, 4 wires, 3S in there, guys. Yep, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking real good. I actually tried to remove the fan case, you know, so I can lower the body a bit more. I undone all the other screws, and one of them, the screw just snapped off inside. And then the actual casing itself, it's actually glued down, guys. I don't even know why they bother putting screws in it then if they're going to glue it shut. It's actually glued shut, so I just left it. I do have another ESC in mind. I may swap out to a 4S ESC, or I may just go with a 120 amps 2 to 6S ESC and run it on this 4S motor. But right now this combo seems to be working okay. It seems to be running smooth. The car feels lovely, guys. It rolls smooth, it's nice and quiet, it's not loud. So I'm impressed, guys, well impressed. So yeah, just sorry I can't get you guys the action you guys really want to see. But tomorrow morning, we out here, guys, we out here. Stay tuned for that. Do hit that like and subscribe, guys. Do hit that like and subscribe.